Hello and welcome to today's CamLogic Tech Tuesday. Today we're going to be looking at a Teamcenter Rapid Start Quick Look. My name is William Hall. I'm one of the AE team leads here. I have over 7 years in technical support for NX, Teamcenter, and other Siemens products. So what are we looking at today? Well, today we're going to take a dive into the Teamcenter Rich client, where we're going to look at some of what Teamcenter Rapid Start deployment includes. We're also going to navigate a simple day in the life inside of the Teamcenter Rapid Start deployment. So let's jump in. Here I am inside of the Teamcenter Rich client in the My Teamcenter application. This is basically our gateway to the Teamcenter database as a user. So what I'm going to start with is looking at some of the search capabilities that Teamcenter can bring. I'm going to use the quick tools to pull up a assembly that I'll be working on. Here we opened up the master mover. We have a breakdown of the assembly, bill of materials and structure, as well as additional information and a list of all of its components and subcomponents. Today I'm going to be working on making a change to this battery pack here. So, in order to make my life a little easier, I can make links to this information and duplicate them under my home folder so I have easy access to them. Now, the design change I'm looking to make here is going to require me to release this so that it doesn't make changes to other assemblies. So, in order to do so, I'd start off a new workflow process. Here is one of the many pre-configurations that the Teamcenter Rapid Start has to offer, and that includes all these different process templates for workflows. Here you see we have change processes, production and development release, as well as obsolescent releases, and some other pre-configured release processes. Here I'm just going to do a quick release. I can review all the different templates just by selecting the View Process Template tab. And if any tasks need to be assigned, I can do so from the Assign All Tasks tab. Here, as you can see, it's run through and applied a status just as a quick release. This locks down the part and makes it read-only to all users. At this point, to make any sort of design change, I would need to revise the part and work from there. Now, there are many different levels of security for your components and parts inside of Teamcenter. Releasing a part and adding a status is just one. We also offer check-in and check-out capability, locking parts to a single user, being able to control what functionality and what information any individual user, group of users, or an entire role offered in your organization can see or have access to. Here I'm going to create a revision. Now, when looking at our part information, you'll see we have an ID as well as a revision and a name. Unique IDs are another way of securing your parts by making sure every individual object inside of Teamcenter will have a unique name and identifier. So each part will have a unique ID, but can still have a call out for names and use existing naming convention rules if desired. Alright, so now what we're going to do is make a change to this subassembly. We're going to open it up. Here you see we have our released component as well as the new revision we just made. From here, what we want to do is make a change to the substructure by switching out the interchangeable battery carrier with another one. To do that, we can navigate through different applications built into Teamcenter, including Structure Manager, which gives us bill of material control that we can have access to make design changes from a top-down design philosophy. So from here, what we'll do is make a change by removing the interchangeable battery carrier from the design. and adding in a new component. Now from here I can search up a component, or if I wanted to, I could copy and paste a component from my home folder or from an existing place. Here's my new carrier. I can copy it, and inside of Structure Manager, paste it into my new structure. At this point, I can save out. And if I would like to go back up to my top level assembly, you can see the new changes I've made. Now, in addition to this, we can add additional document types to these files. Here, I'm going to add some analysis information to go along with the battery pack by adding it in what's called a dataset. Here, this allows us to choose an outside file type, such as a Word document, Excel sheet, text, or other sort of outside document, even CAD documentation. Here I can choose to grab the information from my local machine and upload it to my components, and it stores it here so that I can view this information in my details and summary. Here it'll let me know what information is available, and I can view the information at any time, and opening up this file will bring it up in its native software. So just a quick recap, we were able to use the search functionality to quickly and easily find the information we were looking for. We have advanced tools that are available to us with the search, including predetermined and pre-configured search criteria and setups, as well as being able to dive deeper into the Teamcenter search options and advanced options to find additional attributes to search by. Once we found our component, we were able to organize and utilize our home folder to find and store it for later use, and navigate without having to work through multiple pages or tabs. Once I found the components I was looking for and organized them, I was able to release the product that currently exists to prevent anyone from making changes to an earlier design. From there, I took the new revision and made changes by going through and updating the assembly structure within the Structure Manager, and then applied those changes to my top level assembly. Alright, with that, it was just a short, quick look at Teamcenter Rapid Start. If you would like to know more or have any questions, please feel free to email me at williamh@camlogic.com or call our support line at 855-955-0900 or email our support at support@camlogic.com. We'd be happy to answer any further questions. Or you can reach out to one of our sales representatives for a more in-depth demonstration of Teamcenter and Teamcenter Rapid Start in more context to your current environment and needs. Teamcenter is highly customizable and configurable to match each and every environment for each and every customer. Thank you and have a great day.